Commune with nature is here to remind us to reconnect with Mother Nature. Whether it's a gentle stroll or an exhilarating whitewater rafting adventure, take some time to embrace the outdoors and unplug from technology and life stresses. Today, take a moment to breathe in some fresh air. Pause and enjoy the beauty around you. Kick off your shoes and let the soles of your feet touch the earth. Allow your worries to sink into the soil, and even if it's just for a moment, breathe a little easier. You are connecting